Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have some important and encouraging news for many immigrants who are currently waiting for updates about their immigration status in the United States. In recent discussions, immigration analysts and policy observers have been talking about potential improvements and updates that could affect green card applicants, visa holders, and many families who are currently navigating the immigration system. For millions of immigrants living in the United States or planning to move there, any change in immigration policy or processing procedures can have a major impact on their lives. That is why this development has started gaining attention among immigration experts and immigrant communities. In today's video, we are going to explain what this update is about, why it matters, and what it could mean for people who are currently waiting for immigration decisions. Make sure you stay with us until the end of the video, because we will also talk about what immigrants should keep in mind during this time. Over the past several years, the U.S. immigration system has been dealing with significant challenges. Millions of applications have been submitted for green cards, visas, and other immigration benefits. Because of the high number of applicants and administrative delays, many cases have taken much longer than expected. Some immigrants have been waiting for years for their green cards to be approved. Others are waiting for visa renewals, work authorization, or family immigration decisions. These long waiting periods can create uncertainty for many people. Families often have to delay important life decisions while they wait for immigration updates. Students, workers, and professionals who want to build their future in the United States also face uncertainty while waiting for their immigration status to be finalized. Because of these challenges, any discussion about improving immigration processing becomes very important. Recently, there have been conversations about ways to improve the efficiency of immigration processing and reduce delays. These discussions focus on addressing backlogs and improving how immigration applications are handled. For many applicants, the biggest challenge has been the waiting time. Green card applicants often face long queues depending on their immigration category. Employment-based visa applicants may also wait for long periods while their applications move through the system. Students and temporary visa holders sometimes face uncertainty about renewals and extensions. If the immigration system begins implementing measures that improve efficiency, it could help reduce waiting times for many applicants. Even small improvements in processing can make a meaningful difference for thousands of families. Many immigration experts say that improving efficiency within the system is one of the most important steps toward helping immigrants receive faster decisions. Now, many people are asking an important question. Who could benefit the most if these improvements begin to take place? Green card applicants are likely to benefit if processing becomes faster and more efficient. Many individuals who are waiting for permanent residency have already spent years in the immigration process. Any improvement in processing times could help these applicants move forward more quickly. Employment-based visa applicants may also benefit. Professionals who come to the United States for work often rely on visa approvals to continue their careers and support their families. If processing times improve, it could make the immigration process more predictable and less stressful. Students and other temporary visa holders may also benefit if immigration agencies begin prioritizing pending applications. For international students and skilled workers, immigration updates can have a direct impact on their future plans. Family-based immigration applicants are also closely watching these developments. Many families are waiting for decisions that would allow them to reunite with relatives living in the United States. For these families, immigration updates often represent hope that the process could eventually move faster. Immigration analysts and legal experts often study early signs that the immigration system may be preparing for improvements. Sometimes these signs come from policy discussions or administrative changes. Other times they come from shifts in government priorities or efforts to address existing backlogs. When immigration experts begin discussing improvements to processing efficiency, it often means that the issue is receiving attention at higher levels of the system. Although immigration policies often take time to fully develop, even the discussion of improvements can be seen as a positive sign. It shows that the challenges within the immigration system are being recognized. However, It is important to remember that immigration changes rarely happen overnight. Policy adjustments and administrative improvements often take time before they begin affecting individual cases. That is why immigrants are encouraged to stay informed and follow reliable immigration updates. If you are currently waiting for an immigration decision, there are several important things you should keep in mind. First, always make sure that your immigration applications and documents remain accurate and up to date. Keeping your information updated helps avoid unnecessary delays in the process. Second, it is important to stay informed about immigration news and official announcements. Understanding the latest developments can help you prepare for possible changes in the system. Third, if you have specific legal concerns about your immigration case, it is always best to consult a qualified immigration attorney. Every immigration situation is unique, and professional guidance can help you understand your options more clearly. While immigration processes can sometimes feel slow and complicated, staying informed can help reduce uncertainty while you wait. Many immigrants find that understanding how the system works helps them remain patient and prepared for future updates. To summarize, recent discussions suggest that improvements in immigration processing may be on the horizon. Although changes often take time to fully develop, efforts to reduce backlogs and improve efficiency could eventually benefit many immigrants. For people waiting for green cards, visas, or family immigration decisions, updates like this provide hope that the system will continue to evolve and improve. We will continue following immigration developments closely and bringing you the latest updates here on this channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more immigration news and updates. Also, let us know in the comments what immigration category you are currently waiting in. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Another important aspect of immigration updates is how policy discussions can influence the future of immigration processing. When immigration experts talk about improvements or administrative adjustments, it often means that agencies are reviewing how the system currently operates. In many cases, immigration systems around the world face similar challenges. Large numbers of applications, complex regulations, and administrative requirements can create delays. The United States immigration system is no exception. Because the country attracts talent, students, workers, and families from all over the world, the number of immigration applications continues to grow every year. This growth is one of the reasons why immigration processing has become slower in some areas. However, discussions about improving efficiency suggest that authorities are aware of these challenges. For immigrants who have been waiting for updates, this kind of attention is often seen as a positive sign. Many immigration analysts believe that improving processing systems, introducing better digital tools, and increasing administrative capacity could significantly improve the overall immigration process. Another important topic that immigrants often ask about is transparency in the immigration system. Applicants want to know how long their cases will take and whether there will be changes that could affect their timelines. While immigration authorities cannot always predict exact processing times, improving communication with applicants can help reduce uncertainty. For example, better online tracking systems can allow applicants to monitor the progress of their cases more clearly. This type of improvement can give applicants a better understanding of where their case stands in the process. Another factor that may influence immigration updates is economic demand. The United States economy often relies on skilled workers, international students, and professionals from around the world. Because of this, immigration policies sometimes evolve to reflect the needs of the labor market and economic growth. When immigration policies align with economic needs, it can create opportunities for individuals who are seeking to contribute their skills and talents in the United States. Family immigration is also an important part of the conversation. Many immigrants are waiting for family members to join them in the United States. For these families, improvements in processing efficiency can have a life-changing impact. Reducing waiting times for family reunification can allow families to build their lives together more quickly. Another important consideration is the role of technology in immigration processing. Modern immigration systems increasingly rely on digital platforms for application submission, document verification, and communication with applicants. Improving these digital systems can help reduce paperwork delays and make the overall process faster and more efficient. Technology can also help immigration officers review cases more quickly and accurately. This is why many experts believe that modernization of immigration systems is one of the most important steps toward improving processing efficiency. At the same time, immigrants themselves play an important role in ensuring that their applications move smoothly through the system. Submitting complete and accurate applications can help avoid unnecessary delays. Keeping track of deadlines and responding quickly to requests for additional information can also help move cases forward. Many applicants find that staying organized throughout the immigration process makes a significant difference. It allows them to respond quickly if immigration authorities request additional documentation. For immigrants who are currently waiting for updates, patience is often required. Immigration processes can sometimes take longer than expected, but staying informed can help applicants feel more confident about their situation. Following reliable immigration news and official announcements is one of the best ways to stay updated. As immigration policies continue to evolve, applicants who stay informed are often better prepared for future changes. In many cases, immigration improvements happen gradually. Small administrative changes can eventually lead to meaningful improvements for thousands of applicants. That is why immigration updates like this are important for immigrants to follow. They provide insight into how the immigration system may change in the future. For many immigrants, the hope is that improvements in efficiency will eventually lead to faster processing times and clearer communication from immigration authorities. While no immigration system is perfect, ongoing discussions about improvements suggest that the system continues to evolve. For immigrants waiting for decisions, these discussions represent progress toward a more efficient and responsive process. As always, we will continue to monitor immigration developments and share updates with you here on this channel. Immigration news can change quickly, and staying informed can help you make better decisions about your future. If you want to stay updated with the latest immigration news, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.